Is this a short session of me working with place training and retrieving with Misty and seeing to it that she understands that I want her to bring whatever we're retrieving back to me. She's struggled with that a little bit. She's a young dog, but she's getting it. So what you'll see is me with a 30-foot check cord. Misty's just full energy. She knows what to do, but sometimes she has her own mind and wants to do what she wants to do, not what I want her to do. So you'll see at the beginning, I'll get her. She gets on the platform great that I've built. Wants to run, wants to go do other things, and this is to keep her steady to retrieve and also to return to me. Place. Sit. Whoa. Sit. Whoa. Whoa. Come on.